you. Thank you, yeah. Hi guys! It's Dudy. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to check the channel of Dudy.
Please.
Love Dudy Jr.
Yes.
So guys, today padong namin sa Hinagdanan Cave. After that, we will visit my former work. Yeah. Ako ang trabaho sana mag-English lagi, maglisod man di ay. So what mi sa Chisay Natsu Resort, and after that mo ato na sa Alona, Kutob Gabi. It's na may free ride kay sila mong sakyan later. Oh yeah! Ano mo yung subscribe to my channel? Free ride kay doon naman lang good dead end. Thank you. Okay. Guys, naabot namin sa Hinagdanan Cave and naadiri sa Ate Ibyang. Hi Ate! Hi sa Ate Ibyang. Yes, welcome to Hinagdanan Cave. Ang best friend ni Ate Janet.
Hi, Jan. Shake mo diha.
Ala, shake mo diha. Kaseksi.
Anti-aging na siya.
Okay, so musulod na ta dito guys. Thank you, Kuya. It's dark in here. Hi guys! Finally we're here. We're here inside and medyo ngit-ngit siya, but then it's na-adjog gathering inside. It's very nice and crystal clear water here. Let's go swimming. Sulod niya diri. Igang init siya na. Init, but then the water is very cold. And I thought tabang, pero para siya gamay. And the entrance fee is 50 pesos and it's 75 if you go swimming. Let's go. After naman dito sa sulod, which is inigsulod ninyo is panington mo kay medyo enit. Medyo init siya, but then ang tubig guys very refreshing. Murag nagsagol ang tabang og ang parat kay itilawan ako. Samata na siya guys. So pagawa sa mo dira dire ang store ni Ate Biang. Halit may og shake, tag 50 pesos ang shake. And by the way, ang entrance fee is 50 pesos and ang swimming is 75. Ang guide is volunteer, it's up to you kung pila inyong ihatag kung malingaw mo. Pero lingaw jud sila guys, bisan wala may nagpa-guide guy. Na-appeal mi og kalingaw sa mga guide. Very accommodating. Swimming time is until 4 PM ra guys. So kung gusto mo mag-swimming, kinahanglan mo rin mo og sayo-sayo before 4 kay para maka-swimming mo, which is it's a must. Kaya nga no, nindot yun kayo ang tubig guys. Kung dili mo maligo, dili ninyo kayo ma-appreciate. Okay? So, ligo mo guys. Kay nice kayo. So guys, naniod to na ni karon. So, by the way, Ate Ebyang, salamat kayo. Salamat yun kayo. Pag-accommodate and lami yun siya kaayo guys. Let's go to the beach near here. Okay. Let's see if Ate Ebyang is available already. Namoy daghang mapalitan ani guys. Souvenirs you can buy here. Yay, maadto namin sa kuan beach ni Ate Ebyang. Narayahang love of my life.
Welcome to the beach sa clear water.
Okay.
Reserve yun na siya, no?
Oh, sige.
Cement culture.
So hi guys. Muna og ta sa silong kay mag picture taking na sad mi didto. So mao din siya ang place guys, which is very nice. It seems like you're in Camiguin. Ang kaninga lugar is, this is a secret place. Secret place! So karon dili na ni siya secret na mo. It's because we're here already. Wow, naidaghan nga isda guys. Grabe nag-picture ganina. And we will also go there. Look at the water. So clear guys. So kung ano yung manggali mo guys, if ever, pangitaan nyo sa tibiyang, palit mo niya og shake. And free na yung pagani guys. So hi guys, humanami og picture taking o humanami og ligo dire. And guys, nag-change na ko og outfit, nag-red na sad ko og color. And this place ko no is himuon ni siya nga resort. So wala pa man siya na human. This is not yet open to the public but kami kaila nga siya nag-introduce ani nga lugar which is very nice. And now, tinuod na jud ni mo adto na jud mi og Alona. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Guys, so namin sa ko an Chisay not sa resort ako and kung hindi nyo na itatanong, sasabihin ko pa rin. Hindi, dito ako nagwo-work dati at kung napapansin nyo, nagtatagalog ako kasi yung may-ari dito, yung naintindihan lang niya is Tagalog, Japanese, English. So nahirapan ako sa kalisod na naman. Uy, ginoo ko. So, mga siya guys. So, this is the place. So, this is the entrance. So, guys, ito yung ano nila, reception. Siyan si Miss Roxanne. Ay, saan name mo daw? Si Raymond. Raymond. So, bago na siya. So, wala pa siya. So, guys, kung diri mo mag-check-in, so, pwede sila kuan ninyo og tour. Yan, pwede mo diri mag-book og tour. Guys, welcome! So, magsimula tayo dito, guys. Price starts from 900. Backpackers, sa mga backpackers. So, ayan, yung mga pangalan niya is vegetables. Yeah, ampalaya. O, ampalaya para sa mga mapapait ang karanasan sa pag-ibig. Singkamas is may patala. Hi! Hi, ate. Ano sa imong name? Tita po. Ay, si Tita. Ayan, nandito siya. Naglilinis sila. Ayan, may patola. Can I get inside? Oh, wow, 900. Okay na dyan siya. Ito nga pala si Ma'am Sal. Tingnan nyo naman ang may-ari ng resort. Naku po. Tingnan nyo, walang kaarte-arte guys. Ganyan siya. Kung anong gusto niya, nandyan talaga siya. So kakatapos lang pala nila ni Ma'am sa kabilang side kasi yung sa kabila titingnan din natin mamaya, video natin. Guys, so nandito na kami sa loob ng sa Chisay Natsu Resort at meron akong kasama. Hi! Pakilala ka in Japanese. Go.
My name is Haruka Fukuda. I'm from Japan.
Ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanila in Japanese?
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Nahihiya siya guys kasi mahihain talaga siya. So ayan, itutour tayo ni Haruka-chan dito sa kanyang resort.
Sa akin ba ito?
O sa mama mo, sa'yo na din.
Mama.
O ayan, so ito siya. So dito pala dito kami dito kami nag-meet ni Babe. Ito sa Trinidad dito. Dito yung room nila ni Babe. Dito. Welcome to Alona. Manamig ko anyan. Yes, manamig. Welcome to Alona. And guys, pag nagutom kayo, wala namang problema. Meron namang McDonald's dyan. O ba tayo nagtatagalog? Magbisaya ta, guys. Bisaya ta, guys. Kingsaw na lang dyan, guys. Dito magkadima ako kanig yun. Oh, nalang atong kapamilya dyan.
Oh my God, Jai.
Ang 7-Eleven?
Yes.
Let's go inside. This is 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven Alona branch. Let's see. Cool. Please use the other door. Ay, okay guys, atong i-check guys kung naka first in first out. Sure lang. Joke lang guys. So, mali siyang 7-Eleven sa Alona. And if you can see, this is the manager. Basta ko kay kumadam. Say hi, Big. Hi. Ting happy to jud me kay padong dito sa kuan. Di kami sa Hinagdanan. Kato ko giingon la. Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
So let's explore Alona now.
Yes.
We only pay 50 pesos to the tricycle driver. Yes. It should be 100 but we ask for discount.
Yeah, we ask for discount, guys.
We ask for discount, so it's only 50. So now let's explore Alona. Guys, ano si Pagod-Diri? Let's go. Wala pa din siya 2 years ago. So, makali din siya ang Permakalon. And there's a restaurant here. Souvenir shop. There's a lot of souvenir shop here. With Magay. But it's a little bit expensive, so I can't afford. So there's another restaurant in here. It's Lumber Restaurant. I think, wow, I think it's nice. So anyways, we'll just explore a bit and then let's go after. Souvenirs. And there's a big, I don't know what's this one. Let's go to the beach now. Guys, they're already here.
We made it!
Yeah, let's just find a place where I can put my things and your things. Come on. Mahangin sa labas. Alona. So it's so windy here, but it's very nice. White sand. We're going to McDonald's to eat. Want a tattoo? Tattoo there. Hi! Mga sabi nga, sa amurang ikuhan, ang amurang ma-afford. Dalas kayo ang mga pagkaon sa Alona. So, McDonald's ang sagot sa aming problema. Dapat to. Ito ang McDonald's sa Panglao. Which is kung problema mo sa inyong kaon, don't you worry. Na ay McDonald's, na ay 7-Eleven, so pwede ra mo dito kay kung ato mo sa mga restaurant, for sure, mahal siya, but maybe mas nami siya. Okay, diwas ako kaon guys, sa kay gutom na guys. See you later. Okay, let's explore Alona at night. Ano na to, wala na ko lipstick, gikan mi na nanguan ng hapon. So this is how it looks like, guys. Guys, I remember this place. This is where we go on. We eat with Dave and his friend. We eat here. 2 years ago. There's a lot of memories. Ang daming memories dito, guys. So this is the when you enter, this is the right side, no? Okay, ganina is ang left side now. Mo na siya ang right side. Lost Horizon? Yes, Lost Horizon Beach Dive Resort. The left side of this beach. Here it's more quiet. Not a lot of people too. But I think there's a Thai restaurant here. We also ate here with a friend. I think this one is a best seller. And after this, I think it's already the end of the beach and the right side of it. So anyways, I think until here. So that's it. And let's go now there. So hi guys, it's already 7:27 and we're here in front of Henan Resort, which is very nice. And guys, look how nice it is. Nice kayo ang kuan guys, ang sun. And it's very nice to relax. With the good music in here with the band. And also, it's very relaxing. Ganina is kuan, kusog kayo ang hangin. Now, wala na siya. And it's just good to sit here, relax, and that's it. So, gamay na lang, pila na lang ka minutes, we'll go home na. Okay guys, mag-muni-muni sa ako dire and later we'll go home. See you! So, humana may og laag-laag. And diri na ako humano ng akong vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope that you enjoy my video. And don't forget to subscribe guys and please hit the like button and see you in my next vlog guys. I love you so much. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.